Hello, AP World History students. I hope you are all doing well and that you are all healthy and that you are having a good experience sheltering at home with your family and your loved ones. This is an unprecedented time. I never imagined that I would be teaching during a pandemic, but I think that we can make the best of it. Our school has put together a good plan, and our team, our AP World History team, is working hard to make sure that you get what you need to from this course. And also there's a lot of relevant things that we still need to learn about in this unit. I'd like to go over a couple of things with you, some logistical things, and then talk about the AP exam. So each day there will be posted in the e-learning tab an assignment of some kind. This might be to merely take notes on a screencast and post a picture of those notes. It might be to join in for a Google Hangout or Google Meet. So I'll just go over the first couple days with you. On Monday, March 30th, your chapter 34 and 5 key concepts are due, and you will take the quiz. I recommend that you get into a daily schedule and that you try to do these things on the day at the time that the school will send out to you for your class. So if you're in hour 4, you would do it at the time that hour 4 meets, which is 11:15. And if you're in hour 5, you would devote the time from 12:45 to 1:30 to AP World History. I haven't posted anything beyond Tuesday. What we're doing Tuesday is we're all about the AP World History classes are doing a Google Hangout with our classes that will be during your regularly scheduled classroom time that is modified for this time period. And I get to see all your faces, and that will be wonderful. I'm really, really looking forward to seeing you. And then we will also do an SAQ that day, and you'll type it in to turn it in. So keep posted. This will be the place that you look. So for Wednesday, for example, I don't have it on here yet, but we'll begin looking at World War II. I do have some dates posted further on. These are likely to change because of the changes that are coming by because of the pandemic. Okay, so another bit of information. The College Board has sent us a message that they will continue with the AP History, World History exam. In fact, all AP exams will continue in a very modified format. They have told us that there will be no multiple choice, that this will be a written-only response. We will know more on Friday, April 3rd, what that will entail. And we assure you that we will prepare you for that response. Also, the College Board has limited the time period that will be covered in the exam, and we'll give you again more information on that as we hear about it on April 3rd. Meanwhile, we're going to move forward on our curriculum, which will include the World War II, the Cold War, the end of the Soviets, and just the modern world. And there's really a lot of cool stuff to learn about in the weeks to come. Meanwhile, I hope that you are all staying healthy, like I said before. I am coming to you from my office. I'm fortunate to have a really nice, here I'll show you, I have a really nice view of some trees. I also have a keyboard in my office, so perhaps I'll play some music for you someday. Who knows? This is a picture of my mom and dad. We actually have 5 people living in our household right now, and we all really like each other, so that's a good thing. My mom is right here, and she is staying with us, and my dad is in memory care, and so she's not able to go visit him right now. I encourage all of you and any of you who know someone who is in that situation where they are socially isolated because of this time. Maybe it's a grandparent, or maybe it's another person that you know, that you just reach out to them, send them a note, or if they're able to FaceTime or Skype or something like that, that's a great way to connect with loved ones who are isolated right now. If you have any questions, please email me. Remember, on Tuesday, we are going to meet at Google Hangouts at the beginning of the hour. So if you're 4th hour, the link is there, 11:15 a.m. If you're 5th hour, we'll meet at 12:45 a.m. And I wish us all the best as we move forward. And we'll see you on Tuesday. Goodbye.